All right, so we're gonna take this guy down here that you see here, and we're gonna replace it with something we bought from Costco, which is LED flat panel skylight. They have them on sale right now. I think they're $54.99, marked down to $39.99. So basically, this is what it kind of looks like right here. And it's got 3,700 looms, skylight. One thing it says is ultra thin. They did have it on display, and the display model looked really thin. It shouldn't be too difficult. A couple tools that I'm going to be using. I got this cool little thing. It is this little pen, if you can see it, from Harbor Freight. And basically, you hold it up here and hold the light. So basically out here, so that's live. So when I go ahead and flip the switch here and come up here and test it, I don't get anything. So that's a good indicator that I can be working there safely and not have to worry about getting shocked, which I don't think anybody wants to get shocked. Other than that, just a drill. I got a drill bit. It says it calls for a 1/4-inch drill bit as well, and then a Phillips screwdriver. And then I'll take this thing down and start installing the other piece and let you know how it goes. All right, guys, so back again. So it looks like it'll be pretty easy. There's a Phillips screwdriver there. There's the ground right there that it is. And then there's another Phillips screwdriver there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. That actually could be going in. I don't know how deep that is, that ballast there. Yeah, and so I'm gonna take these lights out and then take those out and see if it will disconnect. Okay, so right now, went ahead and took it off. Now, these guys when they built this house, you guys probably can't see up here, but they had these long screws with this big hole. And these, they obviously have those little mounting guys in there that basically hold it against the drywall. And so I'm a little interested in seeing if this panel will cover those holes up. If not, I guess we'll just have to spackle and then go from there. But those are huge, like really big. I was super surprised at how big they were and then how long these guys were. But anyway, it's down. And now I'll unbox this skylight and start looking at installing it. All right, so open up the package. Had a little mounting box here that basically had 3 wing nuts. It had the insulation screws with the wall anchors, and then the mounting pieces that you'll use this mounting bracket with. One thing that we're gonna have to make sure of is that this arrow matches up with that arrow when we're putting it up. So basically that's gonna be pretty much it. They got these little cool little anchors that are pretty awesome that will hook right here. That way I'm not wrestling with trying to hold it up while I'm doing the wires. And then the green will go to the ground, and then the black to the black, and the white to the white. Should be pretty easy. And then from there, we should be good to go. All right, something else that I did was each of these, I went ahead and ran the screws through there just to clean them out. This one had quite a bit of a paint. The back one had a little bit of paint in there. So I went ahead and just ran the screws through there to make it clean so that it'd be easy to put up that mounting plate. Okay, so now that I got the mounting bracket up there, I'm gonna go ahead and mark your holes right here on each side. Basically to get it straight, I just kind of eyeballed it. It's in our closet. So basically to get it to look pretty straight. And then tighten it down a little bit. And that's what I'll do is I'll mark the spots, like I said, with a Sharpie, and pull it down, use the 1/4-inch drill bit, and then put the wall anchors in, and then put it back up, and then put the mounting screws in, and then we'll hook it up. All right, So we went ahead and got the box installed, got it all anchored up, and then we hooked those anchors up so now that I can work. And I'm going to start with the white one, and then the black one, and then the ground, and then again getting that arrow to where they're matching. And then from that I'll hook the back plate up first, and then line up the front plate, and then slide it towards that arrow, which is right. All right, just got it installed, clipped right in. Very easy to put those brackets in and then slide it to the right. And here's the moment of truth. Let's see if this bad boy is going to work. Whew. Wow, that lights up everything. That's nice. Wow. I'm sure that's nice on the face too. Makes me look 10 years younger. Anyway, thanks for watching. It was a pretty good, easy install.